If there is someone who should have access to a dataset in the ADR who doesn't currently have access, there are 3 different ways that you might choose to share that data with them. The first option is to add them as a member of your organization. Now, you should only do this if they are actually part of your country team and entitled to see all of your organization's datasets. To do this, you need an admin of your organization to go to your organization page and then click Manage in the top right-hand corner. Once they've done this, they will be able to see this Members tab. And from here, they can browse their organization's membership and they can add members by searching using the username or email for the particular user they want to add and then assigning them a role, where members can read data, editors can edit data, admins can administer membership to the organization. The second way you may choose to share data with someone is to add them as a collaborator on the dataset. If you're an editor of a particular dataset, you should be able to find this Manage button in the top right-hand corner and click here. And you'll see that there is a Collaborators tab. Click on the Collaborators tab. Now, you should add people as a collaborator if they are only working with you on one particular dataset. Perhaps someone from Imperial College London or UNAIDS is collaborating with you on your HIV estimates data. You don't necessarily want to grant them access to everything in your country's organisation, but you do want them to be able to edit your HIV estimates data. Well, this is where you should add them as a collaborator. To do that, just click Add Collaborator, search for them by their username or email, and assign a role, where member allows them to read the data, editor allows them to edit the data, and admin allows them to administer collaborators over the dataset. The third and final way that you might choose to share data with someone is you might choose to share just a single resource with that person. Perhaps this person shouldn't have access to view the whole data set, but you just want to grant them access to view your geographic data, for instance. Well, to do this, you go to the Explore button and click Edit. And then from this page, at the bottom, you can add users. You have to add them by their ADR username. But you can add users, and you can also add organizations who can see this resource. 3 different ways of sharing data with someone. Make sure you choose the right way to share data with someone. As a final note, you can also optionally choose to make a resource public, and indeed you may want to do this with your geographic data because your geographic data may not be sensitive like your programmatic data. So do consider whether you can make some of your resources public for the whole world to see. If you have any questions, do let me know.